Alright, first things first. What exactly is e-commerce? Well, think of it as having your very own online store. It's like the digital version of a physical shop, where you can buy and sell products and services. For instance, let's say you're into handmade jewelry. E-commerce allows you to create a website or use platforms like Etsy to sell your beautiful creations to people worldwide. Or think about the giants like Amazon. They're kings of e-commerce, offering everything from books to electronics online. E-commerce comes in different flavors. There's B2C, B2B, and C2C. B2C is when you buy something from an online store. You're the consumer, and the business sells to you. B2B is when one business buys products or services from another business, like a restaurant ordering supplies from a distributor. C2C, well, that's when individuals sell to other individuals. Think eBay or a local garage sale on Facebook Marketplace. Now, setting up an online store is easier than you might think. You'll need a website or a platform like Shopify or WooCommerce. These are your virtual shop windows. Imagine you're passionate about vintage comics. Platforms like Shopify let you set up an online store, upload pictures of your comics, and start selling them to collectors. WooCommerce. It's like having a digital cash register on your WordPress website. It helps you manage sales and payments smoothly. Choosing what to sell is crucial. Find a product or niche you're passionate about and see if there's demand for it. It could be handmade crafts, fashion, or even digital products like ebooks. To make money, you need a way for customers to pay you. Payment gateways like PayPal or Stripe handle the money part, making it secure for both you and your customers. Once you've made a sale, it's time to get the product to your customer. Shipping carriers like FedEx or the Postal Service can help you with this part. Picture this, you're running an online bakery. When someone orders your mouth-watering cookies, you use FedEx to deliver them right to their doorstep. Or, if you're selling handmade candles, you can use the Postal Service to ship them to customers across the country. And there you have it. E-commerce basics made easy. Creating your online store, choosing products you're passionate about, and providing great customer service are the keys to success. Your e-commerce journey begins now. Before you go, make sure to hit that subscribe button and stay tuned for more e-commerce insights.